EIGSHOW eyeshadow tutorial for winged eyeshadow. Today we will walk you through every step for a simple winged eyeshadow by using these 5 brushes. They are E828, eyeshadow primer brush, E812, blending brush, E811, blending brush, E832, small smudge brush, E815, pencil brush. Apply a small amount of eyeshadow primer or concealer to your eyelids. Use the flat brush to blend the primer gently outwards. Make sure the primer is even. This is a fluffy blending brush E812, dusting a small amount of translucent setting powder over the primed eyelids. When setting the base, you can cover the creases at the same time. Then I am going to use this blending brush to apply a magenta eyeshadow. Blend the product in a small motion to the eyelid like this. Apply the color from the inner corner to the area under your brow bone. Use this fluffy eyeshadow brush to apply the winged part of the eyeshadow. Here is a trick. You can draw a line toward the tail of the eyebrow and blend the winged shape carefully. E832 is a small smudge brush. It is perfect for the lower lash line. It is in a small shape and easy to pick up powder. At last, we can light up the eyeshadow with this pencil brush. Pick up lighter eyeshadow or shimmer, and brighten the inner eye corner, and a little bit under your brow. Then that is all for this winged eyeshadow look. Follow at EIGSHOW Beauty to explore more.